In this video, I'm going to show you our 4 large plus 1 small Orgonite pyramid set. All right, so all of our pyramids are made of fine iron powder and high quality carbon-based epoxy. We've looked all over the world for ingredients and we've found what we believe are the best. So you can look at this, they're sleek, they have a metallic shine, they're dark gray, and they're very, very dense. The large pyramids are large. I have a big hand. I'm about 6'2". So this is a large pyramid, larger than the other so-called Orgone pyramids that you find around the internet. So, and as I'll explain, we believe they are much, much better value. So all of our pyramids are made using the original and only Orgonite recipe. Orgonite was invented by Karl Hans Welz. He invented a certain recipe for it, and we use that recipe exactly. Additionally, we have worked with a material science PhD to get the look and the feel and the composition down. So, I mean, listen how dense that is. Very, very dense, heavy. They've got a felt bottom. So it's a beautiful pyramid. We're very proud of them. You know, you could put this in your home and not tell anybody what it is, and it would still look great. The purpose of all the pyramids is to accumulate positive orgone energy and spread it to the surrounding area. Okay. Now we have taken Orgone pyramids to the next level, both in the composition of the pyramid and also in creating the sets and linking it with the generator. So all of these pyramids come to you energetically linked. They come structurally linked. We call it a structural link. You can check our website. We explain that concept in detail. But all of these pyramids are linked. And this small pyramid, the reason we include a small pyramid in all of the sets is it is what we call the anchor pyramid. So let me pull the device up. This is the Performer 2400 HD, beautiful device. So back here, you know, I've got a power booster. This is also Orgonite, right? So you can kind of see it's the same thing. Same thing. So, and we got a silver output tube back there. So what you can do is you place this small anchor pyramid on the generator, or in front of the output tube is a good place, really anywhere near the generator. You know, I think about it, I usually put it on the generator. And what we do, what that does is it links all of the pyramids in the set to the continuous stream of orgone energy created by the generator. So instead of the pyramids just accumulating orgone from the surrounding area, they are linked to a steady stream of positive orgone, and they become basically orgone lamps. So a lamp, you know, you turn it on and it kind of spreads light out into the room. In this case, because they're linked to the generator, when they fill up with orgone, they spread it out to the surrounding area. So it's a way to like enliven a room, to put positive energy in a room. And the reason we do a set is our original idea was to have the small pyramid on your generator and then take each of these pyramids and put them in different rooms, put them in different locations. A structural link, we believe, is the shortest distance between 2 points. You could put this on the other side of the world. You know, you could put these pyramids on the 4 corners of the earth, and we believe it'd still be connected to the generator. So, you know, you could take one pyramid, put it in your bedroom, one pyramid, put it in your living room, one pyramid, put it in your office. And you can send different intentions, you can send different frequencies, and you can run different operations to each pyramid. So, and I'm going to explain that more in another video, but, you know, imagine you put this in your bedroom, you run an intention to get good sleep, okay? Imagine you put this in your office, you run an intention to have a lot of concentration. You know, put this in your workout room or wherever you do yoga or something. You run this to an intention to follow through with that and to get your mind in the proper state to do yoga well. So that's the original idea. What we call it an energetic grid. So from your generator and the small to each pyramid. And really it's all like this too, right? So, I mean, you can create an energetic grid across your entire house to ward off negative energy, to block negative energy, negative frequencies. And that's the purpose. That's what we came up with, is to, you know, other people have so-called orgone pyramids. I'm going to do a video on those. Those are not Orgonite. This is the only Orgonite in existence, made by the inventor of Orgonite, Karl Hans Welz. So what we're going to do, so we came up with this idea we're seeing a bunch of fakers running around, and we came up with the idea that we want to create something that real life force technology that takes things to the next level. So we thought about creating an energetic grid. Now, something else you can do. So you can put these around your house. You can also, if you're running just operations on your generator and you don't care about moving the pyramids around as much, I keep my pyramids mostly next to my generator or on my generator. The reason is they also function as an extra battery for your Orgone generator. So each of these, by being near the device, which is putting out Orgone energy constantly as it's turned on, it will do. They basically function as an extra battery. So this is absorbing the Orgone energy coming out of the device, and then now I have an extra well of energy, an extra battery to when I run an operation, even if it's not related to creating an energetic grid. I now have extra energy to draw on for that operation. So they're very useful. They're very useful even if you don't put them in different locations. And so we originally made it with the idea that you're going to put the small on the generator as the anchor to send to the rest. But since they're all linked and the direction doesn't really matter, what you could do if you wanted, you could take the large itself, throw it on the generator, put these wherever. You could even put these on the generator as well. You could put these on the generator as well, and then just carry this in your pocket. So now, via the structural link, it's kind of like a pendant pair or like a power booster with a pendant. You carry this in your pocket, and now you're linked to your generator's energy and the extra well of energy created by the Orgonite Pyramids. So we've made it really flexible. We've made it simple to use and simple to understand. Life force operations can be a little confusing, but this is simple, and we think it's flexible. We think it'll bring positive energy into your life. We think they're very useful. Like I said, I have probably 16 pyramids, and we hope you'll give it a try. We have a number of different types of sets to account for different type of budgets, different needs. So that's it. This is the 4 large, 1 small Orgonite Pyramid Set. It's a very powerful set. Large Orgonite pyramids, dense, high quality craftsmanship. We're really proud of these. We've been working on them for over a year, really perfecting them. They'll be beautiful for your home or wherever you want to put them, and they're also useful, which is the most important thing. So this is the 4 large, 1 small Orgonite Pyramid Set.